Hello everybody. Okay, so today we're learning about finding a weighted mean. We talked about already about finding a mean, which is an average, but this is how you would find your grade in a certain class, or how you would find things with different weights on them. So the first thing you need to do is pause this video and copy down this chart. Only doing one example, so copy it down. Pause, pause, pause. Continue when you're ready. Okay, I'm really hoping that you wrote this down and that you're not just watching this video, because you're not going to get a lot out of it if you don't write it down. So this is somebody's class, and this is like a college class, and so far on their test they've gotten an 86% average. On their midterm they got a 96%, on their final exam they got an 82%. On the computer labs they got 98%, on their homework they did all of it, so they got 100%. And this is the weights. So 50% of your grade is your test means, 15% of your grade is midterms, final exams 20%, computer lab is 10%, and homework is 5%. And if you add this up, let's see, 50% plus 15 is 65%, plus 20% is 85%, plus 10% is 95%, plus 5% is 100%, and so they add up to 1, which is what you want when you're doing like an average test score. Okay, so to figure this out, what you do is the first thing you do is you multiply the the value by the weight and calculate those. So 86% times 0.5 is 43. 96% times 15% of the weight is 14.4%. 82% on a test times 20% is 16.4. 98 times 0.1 is 9.8, and 100 times 0.05 is 5. And then to figure out your final score, you just add all of these up. Normally you would also divide by what the weights add up to, but because the weights add up to 1, we would just divide by 1, which is no big deal. So if you add all of these up, you end up with 88.6% in the class, which turns out to be what, like a B+? So that's your grade for the class. And that's how you do a weighted mean, especially with those kinds of grades. So pretty simple process. Your homework is very light. It is 2 problems, which I'm going to add to tomorrow. So make sure that you have these 2 problems done by class tomorrow. Even though we won't be turning them in tomorrow, we will be going over them. So make sure that you do page 77, numbers 41 and 42. And that's it. I will be in the meeting if you want to come back in and ask me questions. All right. Easy and simple, 3-minute video. Yeah. Bye.